Stand at the top of your mat with your legs hip-width apart. Drop your chin towards your chest as you exhale. Soften your spine and roll all the way down to the floor, touching the floor with the heels of your hands, keeping your legs straight. As you breathe in, prepare to roll back up. As you breathe out, stack your spine in reverse, finishing with the movement of your head. Now let's look at that movement with a little extra choreography with the arms. The arms are going to go up as you inhale and dive with your head down as you exhale. Maintain the pressure between your inner legs. Roll back up in reverse, bringing the arms up with you, and then lowering them down as you finish.